Okay, so we're going to figure out how to do a new order manually in the system. So you go to step number 1. You're going to go to all orders first, and then you just create order. It's really easy. So just create the order then. Order. So you're going to find the customer product. So whatever they're buying. Like earlier, I sold this. Boom. Add it into the system. So you can email them an invoice too, as well, if you want. You want to grab their email here. Just so if they, question it or just feel uncomfortable, whatever, you can do that. So don't do pay with credit card for right now. It's going to change in the next 24 hours. But if we have to ever do this as far as a manual purchase, we'll use this. So then just instruct the customer to go to the support.toptechwholesale.com, or they can do it directly from the website by clicking the make a payment button. So I had a customer completely baffled by this earlier. It took me 30 minutes, but I got it done. So just make a payment. Have them make a payment. They ask for an order number or whatever. Tell them you don't have it until it's paid in the system. Generate it. They're going to ask for an order number there. Don't worry about it right now. And then just put whatever. Or you can go in the system and create the order number, but you have to mark it as paid. So you have to make sure your customer is going to check out. They're going to bail on you, because that's going to create the order. And you can take that order web number, place it there, whatever, however you want to do it, however they want to, because this is going to be the customer doing this, and then they can do that, and then it'll come through as a sale once they do so. And each manual processing sale like that is done without an online checkout will be eligible for commission.